Welcome back once again. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to create whiteboard animation using renderforest.com. And of course, without further ado, let's jump right into the video. As usual, the first thing, go to your preferred browser, type in renderforest.com. After going to the website, you sign into your account that you created using your email and your password. And the next thing, go to create and tap on whatever you want to create, be it logo, markup, whatever. But today, like I said, I'm going to be teaching you how to create whiteboard animation. So we are going to tap on videos. After clicking on videos, let's just tap on animations. Under animations, there are different type of animation. There are 3D animation, 2D animation. Okay. We are under animations now, so you see there's the 3D explainer, trending tokens. In this video we are going to whiteboard animation. In the next video I'm going to be teaching you the 3D explainer video. So right now we are just going to tap on the whiteboard animation. This is different animations that you can check out. Okay, so where's our whiteboard animation? So tapping on the whiteboard animation will bring out this interface for you and tell you it might include premium scene. Of course we know because we didn't subscribe. So let's just tap on create now. So we allow it to process and it's going to bring out different things for us. You can actually just type your story and it will suggest your scripts for you, like suggest the animation you need, and you can browse ready-made video templates and customize anything. But I'm just going to click on start from scratch. Let me show you how to start it from scratch by yourself. Okay, so we are just going to search for the scene that we want to use. Okay, I don't really have a script on my head right now, so let me just think of something. Let's start from this one. So I'm just quickly thinking of something to do right now. Don't be like me when creating a video. Ensure you already write down your script. Don't be like me that when I'm starting the video, that's when I'll remember I need to write my script. So everything you need to say in the video, write it down so that you will know the scene to pick. Then, okay, let's pick two. The third person. Okay. Okay, this is enough. After tapping on the insert, it's going to bring all my scene here for me to see. So let's start from number one that I picked. We picked a man scratching head. We type on, then we tap on type your text here and input whatever we want to input. When you see when you are editing anything on renderforest, you see the amount of character that you can type in your type box. This one now it said 148 character advised. So let's just say are you, though Valentine is over now, but what I thought of just now is just about Valentine stuff. So are you looking for a place? Are you looking for a place to get the best gift for your loved ones? Put a question mark. Okay, it's actually a tired man. Let's say, are you tired of looking for a place to get a gift for your loved one? Good. We click on save. Then we come to the next one here. Click on the next one here. Okay, I think this one is actually not good between here, so let me delete this. I'll add it later at the end. I don't need this scene now, so delete. So happy man, let's say worry no more. Toria's surprise is there for you. I don't have any surprise this thing. I'm just doing anything to show you how to do this stuff. So okay, are you tired of searching? Toria's surprise is here. Then we tap on the next. We help you get the best gift for your loved ones. All we need is a description description of their personality. Okay, I think this is enough now because of watermark, so that we'll be able to remove the watermark. Then next, I think I should add the call before this thing. Okay, let me add another scene right now. I deleted 2 scenes, so let me add the call scene I deleted first, and then this and this. Insert. Here we're going to say all you need to do is just give us a call on. You input the brands. I input the brands number. Please, so when you are creating this thing, like I said, save your script. This is just rubbish that I'm currently doing, but hey, there isn't need to practice, right? So whatever. And then the last place, let's just put something like Victoria's surprises, the best gifting plug for you. Okay, I think that's all. That's enough now for tutorial surprises. The next thing is to go back scene by scene and start changing the feel. Like I said, these 3 things that join, that's on each other, you tap on it, and then you can change the scene if you want a hand to be writing it, or you just want a hand to be bringing it and bringing it in and taking it out. So let's just use this one. I think I prefer this. So you can also change the font, but we are not going to be going there now. So after tapping on this one, then you come to music. Of course, it will automatically generate a music there for you, but let's just go to play and just render it. This video is already getting too long. I don't want it to get too long. So of course, on enums, you click on fast preview. If you are a premium user, go to premium. Let's just use the HD 720 export now. It's still free, so you allow it to process and you wait for it to render also. Of course, you may not use their music and go and input your preferred music in your InShot app, but I just added their music right now and I'm going to allow it to render here. So your video is on a queue, and okay, as you can see, it's actually exporting very fast. So let's just wait for it to export. Okay, so our video have finished rendering and here it is now. But as you can see, this video, the watermark is covering the man's leg, so meaning we didn't place our video well. You can still re-edit it. I'm coming. Let's re-edit so that we'll place the video well, so that when I cover the watermark, it's not going to cover his leg. You get? So that we can cover the watermark professionally, so people won't get it, except people that already know render forest. Those are the ones that will know that what are they calling it, text position. So let's move it text to the left for this first scene. So that E will be at the right. So let's edit the next one again. Let's put text on the left. The next one again, let's put text on the left. After moving all the text to the right, you can render it again. So you can also scroll down and watch some inspiration to know how to create. And yeah, you can change the color. I forgot to show you how to change the color. It is there. You can change the color of those places that are blue. We change to any other color you pick. So I think that's all. After it has finished rendering, you can come here, tap on your name as usual, go to your videos, and after going to your video, then you download. Yes, then you click on free preview and you download it, and it's going to save to your gallery automatically. Then you can now go and add any other thing, maybe cover the watermark from InShot or anywhere else. All right, then, thank you for joining in this video. Thank you for watching this video to the end, and of course I'll see you in the next video.